union all is the sections we are going to see in this session. Now, so first of all, in order to find out a union, what is this union? We are talking about two tables here. Two tables. Okay, two tables. And we want to find out, we may find out a matching data. Once again. Okay. Or we will combine the two tables, which is having same data type. That you need to remember. That is the main point. Main point. So now we'll see. Each union query must have same number of columns. What is that? This is a very, very important point. Each union query must have same number of columns. Means first the select query 1 and select query 2. If you are applying, you are applying for 5 columns. Here also you should apply for 5 columns. So A query should have 5 columns, and B query should have also 5 columns. If it is more than that, it will not work. Okay. So let us see a small example. See, even data types should also match. You say I have one query, I have one query. You have a different data type. Then also it won't work. Okay. What you have done? You have taken a character varying. You have taken an integer here. So then what happens? Union type character varying cannot be matched. So it is matching. Data type is matching, and it is giving the data. So from two tables, we are getting the from two tables. Okay, we are getting from two tables. Okay, so now we will try our own way of dealing with the unions. Okay, so we have already this particular this one, but we will go and create one new thing. Okay, so create table students batch 2021. Okay, ID serial. So its name is character varying. Okay, and marks is like integer, right? Default 0, right? Default 0. Right. Clear? Default 0. So that is a student 2021 comma, yeah, character in comma should be there. So comma student's name, yeah. So same thing again. We will have one more table. Student batch 222. Okay. So now what we'll say, same again. We'll have the data. Now what we need to insert the data, right? So how will we insert the data? Same persons only will insert the data. Insert into so okay, student batch 2021 first. His name marks, right? Values. So I can talk about more this one, but we will we'll see sample example and we'll leave it. Okay, we are not going to see much things because to discuss there are a lot of things, other things other than this. What happened? Okay. This happens.
Yes.
This happens in office also a lot of times. Right. Okay. Clear? Okay. So now what happened? Let us consider selecting the tables. So what is that? Selecting the tables is student batch. Okay, 2021 is there. Select start from students batch 2022 is there. Now 2022 have how many? 3 rows. 2023, 2021 have 3 rows. But what we want, we don't want ID, we want student name. Okay, student name comma mark and student name comma marks. Clear? So what we are going to do, we are going to see union. Okay, union. So what we will do, we will change and we'll add Raju also here. So Raju is having 70 only will keep. We'll give 70 only, or we'll keep Raju later. First, we'll see this one, union of both. So when I do union of both, what happens? What happened with union of both? Both the rows came. 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 Right? Name and marks. Not name and marks. We are talking about the both columns are same data type. Yes, name and marks. Correct? Character varying and integer. Here also character varying and integer. So whenever we want to join two tables and elicit out some information, not join, without joining. Without joining, you want to get the data from two different tables. Then union is possible. We want to combine. That's it. We want to combine and get the data. Then I will go for union. Okay. So now, if you go and see that, so what it is saying, union won't give us duplicate data. What is that? Duplicate data. So now in order to give the duplicate data, I should give a duplicate data, right? So what is there? Raju was with 70, right? So what I'll do, I'll enter with the, we'll cross verify this point, right? I'll enter Raju also in batch 2022 and I'll say Raju got 70 there also. In batch 1, he is 70. So according to you, in two tables data we will get. So I should get Raju 2 times, right? But what union says, I will not give you duplicate data. Yes. Only once it came. So what we will do, we want to find out whether it is a SEM1 or SEM2 marks. What I'll do, I'll append some text. This is a SEM1. This is SEM2. Right? Here. So now what happens? You can find out what is the difference. What is happening? Oh, comma. Rather than comma, full stop came. Now we got Raj, right? Now we got Raj. Now we got Raj. So if you remove this SEM1 and SEM2, what happened? Then exactly we got Raju only once. Okay. So tomorrow we want to remove. Just like you want to find out in a SEM, you got like what do you say? Preliminary exams. So 2 preliminary exams. They want to take the maximum ones. They want to take the maximum ones, or they want to take only once. They will consider only once. If you have written only once, so they will take only once. If it is the same marks. If it is the same marks, I'll take only once. Right. So now what will happen? This union can be applied. No, I want without an what do you say, adding additional column. I want to take all. I'll say it as union all. What's that? Union all. Now Raju came twice. No, sir, you applied it. Okay, very good. Fine. All is very good. But I want to apply order by ascending order. So I should apply order by in second query only. I can't apply order by in first query. Okay. I can't apply order by in a first query. What is the order by of marks? By default, order by you say it will be ascending. Right? Now ascending. Clear? So you can't apply order by in the first query itself when you are doing union and union all. So if I apply, what will happen, sir? See. Union syntax goes wrong. Right? So both it will be applied. So now when you are doing union, it should be like after union, the order by will be applied. Okay, this is one point.
If you want the highest marks first.
Descending. Ascending and descending. We already done now. So now we have done with the two things. Like what is that? Union and union all. So now you have one more example here. You can refer in the sheet. You can refer in the sheet. Like most trusted companies and top companies. So now if you see that is there, you can use order by class in the second query. That is a very, very important one. Guess the output, like, okay. You try this and guess the output. Okay. Union will not allow duplicates. Union all will allow duplicates. Yes. Hello. So now what is the point here? Now intersect. Intersect means any matching rows are there. What is the matching row we have? Raj. Only Raj. So now what is the point here? We'll say union all intersect. So now I want to find out. So if any two tables are there, you want to find out a matching data. So any matching data is there or not? Yes. Raju. Clear? Raju is one. And once again, we have one more except. So I want to do a minus a minus b. A minus b. So what if I do a minus b? What happens? Who will go? Raju will go away. Right? Raju will go away from the both, but Prakash will be there, no? Correct. Raju is matching, but Prakash and Bhaskar are there. I want all A, but matching should be removed. I want all A, but matching should be removed, and the values in B also should be removed, except B. Except B. What is there in B? Raju was there in B. That's why Raju didn't come in A. Correct. What is there in A? Let us see. What is there in A? What is there in A? 3 rows. Who are Prakash, Bhaskar, and Raju. But Raju was there in the second time exam, where he has written in the second batch also. But what we want, we don't want second time people. We want only first time. So we took Bhaskar. Clear? Their marks were not matching. That's why they didn't give. Okay. Clear? So we completed union all except. So in the same way, except operator will run all the records initial data set, then eliminates all the values from the second set. Clear? So this particular point you need to remember. Okay. And you want to find out a count also? Yes, that is also possible. So yeah. Clear? Yeah. So now that is the one point we understood. So we will stop recording.